So we'll share this screen and we'll get started. Okay. All right. So here is 12/4. It says Judy Spassion's general account check for the pay period July 15th. So we're in July 15th. We need to prepare the check to the order for the First Community Bank. The payroll account number is blah, blah, blah. Okay. We have a payroll register here. We have 2 employees for Judy's. So we have a net pay amount that we will be looking at $1,933.32. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's start this out by we're doing do we type July or 7? 7. So July 15th is 7. We're paying to the order of First Community Bank. We got to get it to the bank that has our payroll account. I'm guessing, nope. Now we type July 15. And do you guys understand what I mean when we say net pay? Net pay is far over here on the payroll register. You guys you learned how to do all this work to get to this number, right? This net pay we keep it simple. It's only 2 employees. If you had 20, you'd have 20 employees. You'd still go to the total of all your employees' net pay. And that 1933.32 is the number that goes here. I like how you don't have to put comma. But you guys are okay with that, right? Hopefully. All right, so then you're going to this account. I guess we could start here. Do you type July? No, that's weird. I'm not up to the date on this. Sometimes you type July and sometimes you don't. July 15th in the amount of $1,933.32. We then will type this out. I'm surprised it didn't come up. I think you need to put we used to always hyphenate that 30-3 and then type and 32 over 100. I think in the past, it used to just come up when you typed it, you chose the correct one. Can you guys see that? Do I got to zoom in more? So I think you're going to need to do the hyphenate here, 33, and then we put 32 over 100 because 32 cents over the 100 cents. Now we're paying First Community Bank, pay to the order of First payroll account. What is the payroll account? Can I copy this, you think? Dang it. I'm gonna make it smaller. $148. Oh, I gotta type it in here. 148 dash 164 dash 118. You're getting this information from up here, correct? You guys understand? This is only what you only have to do this when we pay from the general account to the payroll account. All right. Do we gotta say a certain? I wonder if we gotta put anything else down here? I think we gotta put this. No? Three, 6, 8, 3, 0. I don't think we need anything here. You're getting this Auburn, Alabama. They want the date, they want the address here too. Auburn, Alabama. 36830. That's on the check right here in the middle. And down here, we would usually write, it says enter manager signature on the check. We used to write student's name. Manager, what do they want us to write? It says enter manager signature on the check in the appropriate field for, we used to always write student signature. This is where you would sign the check as the payroll manager or whatever. And again, do you have to fill all this out every time? No, this is unique because we're paying from our general account to our payroll account in the same bank. You know, you have two, it's like having a checking and a savings. You got two. So you'll type manager signature. I don't know if we have to put a apostrophe in that. So we're just going to kind of roll with this. Okay. And we hit grade 1. We'll see. I'm kind of curious if that was correct. What did we miss? How do we tell what this stuff is? Oh, crap. I told you wrong. So we got to put the whole address. We were supposed to put here, I can't, the Dean Road in Auburn. I apologize. This is, like I said, this is a different deal for me. Well, hopefully that won't screw you up. I can help you on the app if that is necessary. All right, part 2. So now we go to complete the pay. It says complete the checks for Edward Johnson for the pay period July 15th. The pay date is July 15th. Enter manager signature. All right, so that sounds okay. So you got all this stuff that talks about hours, rates. This is all the work you guys have already done. This is above. This is the voucher check or the check stub that we were talking about. The year to date net pay is not the amount they're getting, correct? They're only getting this current pay period. So the employee name is Edward. I don't know if we need P. Yeah, I think we do. Johnson. Date, July 15th. So we got to multiply here. Get the calculator out. 88 times 15. So we get 1,320 there. 5 times 2250. We get 112.50 there. Add 112.50 plus 1,320. You get 1432.50. And you add that to the 17,200 number. And you get $18,650.50. Okay. Are you guys all right with that part? Okay. All right, so we have that set up pretty good. Right, now we got to go ahead. We got to get some taxes done. All right, so let's see what we got here. In the past, I'm trying to figure out how do we do the federal income tax. Exactly. 1,305. I can't see anything. Sorry. Because does it tell us where I'm getting this? Oh, down here. Okay, good. All right, so we get this stuff from the register because I was saying I don't see married or allowances. So this is Edward's stuff. So we kind of know we didn't really have to add that stuff. We already had it. I apologize. So we're going to take 61, 88, 82, 20, 77, 60, all this numbers in the payroll register, and we're going to put them up here. So that's 61, 88, 82, 20, 77, 60, 15. So you copy those numbers. From down here up to there. You get totals if you want totals. 245.59 is the total deduction. Adding these 5 numbers up, and then you subtract your deductions from your total earnings to get net pay. And you should see that, the total number here and the net pay, okay? All right. So we have year-to-date federal income tax. You see that up here where it says the previous YTD means year-to-date 522. We add the 522 to 61 and we get 583. I don't believe that is down there. Yeah. So then we do year-to-date 1,067.52 plus 88.82, and we get 1,156.34. And we do that for all of our deductions. 180 plus 15 is 195. You add up all these deductions and you get 2,984.77. The net pay number is 15,665.73. You're adding the previous pay year to date plus the current to get you the new year to date. This is the total net pay Edward has made. This is the total deductions that have been taken out of his check. Okay. So now we got July. We're writing the check now for that net pay amount of 1,186.91 for this person, for his net pay, this employee's net pay for the current pay period. So we're paying to the order of Edward P. Johnson, not Johnston, 1,186.91. Make sure you put the dash 86 and 91 backslash 100, 91 over 100. Manager signature. You're taking this net pay number, 1,186.91, and you're typing 1,186.91 over 100. (180-6) and 91 over 100. I'm gonna put manager signature. I guess you don't capitalize it, but and then yeah, put 1,186.91 there. 1186.91, July 15th. Okay. I forgot something. Oh, yep, forgot the check number. Good call. You're supposed to put 261 here. We're making more errors now than we've made in the semester. This is a nightmare. So this is the check number 261. You want to place that here at check number 261. Okay. Let's go to tab 3. We have our next employee, Janice Nelson. Janice E. Nelson, and we're just going to do all the same stuff we just did. It is still July 15th. You got all that information at the bottom, so you don't have to add things up. You got 920 here, and then they had 5175, I think. 971.75. Add those two numbers up. You take the 971.75 plus the 1187 number, and you get 12,844.25. Then down below, you just copy all Janice's stuff. 76. 60 and 15. You're getting all those from below, right? You're getting all these numbers from the payroll register. You get the totals for Janice deductions of 225.34 by adding all those numbers up. Take your net earnings, current total earnings. This is like gross pay minus your deductions, and you get 746.41. Then you go back up and you add the year to date, YTD year to date, 892 plus 76, using 968, 736.10, $736.10 plus 60, 796.35. Medicare, 186.24. 780, 195. So you're taking these and adding them to each respective current year to get our new year-to-date totals. You add up all our year-to-date totals and you get 2,925.59. The 9,000 net pay number year-to-date plus the 746 gives us a new net pay number of 9,918.66. And then we go ahead and write our check. July 15th, paid to the order of Janice E. Nelson, 746.41. All right, and then you don't forget the stupid check number, sorry. 262 down here. Did I make any mistakes? Good Lord. I think we should be all right. Any questions on any of this? Make sure you put the check number 262 down here. You're just typing in all the information that you need. Janice E. Nelson, July 15th, the net pay, the amounts for the check and manager signature, and then make sure you put the check number down here that you're cutting the check to them. Okay. All right. So that is the work together. I believe that's it. Hopefully I'm telling you right. Sorry for the mistake riddled morning. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll do the application problem. And for 12-4. And then you can start working on the study guide. Friday, we'll work on the mastery problem. Finish up anything we have to do at 12-4 on the mastery problem. And then Monday, we'll take the test. All right. All right.